I've been trying to advertise my coaching program, my Amazon FBA coaching program, using YouTube ads. And I've run into some issues, and this is something that I want to comment in today's video. So what's going on is that to advertise my coaching program, what I did is I literally took excerpt of conversation with my students. One of them is Ernie that made 2 million in 2024. One other one is Yasmani that made 20,000 in one day during Cyber Monday. And I've been running into some issues because YouTube says that these claims are unreliable. And by the way, I don't know how good the audio is because I don't have my microphone and there's a lot of noise around me, right? So just bear with me for a little bit. So the reason why I'm telling you all this is because what I need to actually do if I advertise my coaching program is that I actually need to tell you guys that these results, the results that I get my students are not typical. These results are atypical. And yes, of course, like I'm a professional Amazon seller. There are professional Amazon sellers. Here's your disclaimer, right? And so your results may vary. However, we've had a really high level of success with the coaching program. And so I find it funny that, you know, platforms like YouTube and all that stuff will actually let people advertise literal scam, but the results that I actually get to my students are unreliable claims. This is actually crazy. And so if you want to get, and I'm going to say it, I don't care about a disclaimer, all that stuff, I don't really care about it. If you actually want to have untypical results, you have a link below. You can join the Scaling Society and we're going to help you scale your Amazon FBA business. We've helped, and I've personally helped, okay, in my coaching business, even when I was doing it for free, I helped tens, if not hundreds of people actually scale their business. I used to do it for free. I helped people, I should say, get not typical results. Even when I was doing this shit for free, and you can see it on my YouTube channel. So here's my promise. Here's literally my promise, because I really believe in my capacity to actually help you with your business. And by the way, today I'm in beautiful Romania, right? Beautiful. It's beautiful in some places, not in some others. You can do the same thing if you want to. And I believe that so much that if you join the Scaling Society, there's a no-brainer guarantee that if we don't help you actually make your money back, okay, and scale your business to $10,000 in a month, and of course you need to have money to invest in inventory. If not, it's not working, right? But we actually have a guarantee where we actually pay you back, okay? And the Scaling Society is an investment, okay? I'm not going to lie. If you know, I used to do this for free. Now, if you want my help to actually scale your business, you know, I've proven myself. If you want my help to actually scale your business, it's an investment. I don't do this for free anymore. But you're making your money back, or we actually give you your money back, right? That's the thing. If you put in the work, okay, you cannot just come, do nothing, and then get your money back. This is not the way it works. You need to come for a couple of months, do your work, and you're gonna make your money back, 100%. I can help you scale your business like I did with Ernie, like I did with Yasmani, the two that you've seen in the ads. If you've seen them, I can actually help you scale your business like I did with them, and actually get you results that are not typical. You don't want to settle for typical results. You can actually do way more than that, and everything is in your head. You just need to just think bigger, like literally, that's it, okay? You need to believe that it's possible. Once you do, just put in work, it will actually come, all right? So, yeah, as I said, today in Romania, I don't know if you can see it. It's an okay country, I'm not going to lie. And I've been enjoying traveling. Thanks to my Amazon business, I have that freedom, you know, to go wherever I want, whenever I want. It's like a random Monday and I'm in Romania. Yesterday I was in Belgium. Last week I was in Rome, Italy. And if you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen it. But yeah, I'm not special. The people that I helped are not special either. They've just been putting in the work, and they've been focusing on the right things, okay? A lot of people are all over the place. No Walmart marketplace is a thing. They jump from Amazon to Walmart. And when you actually look at their comment on Twitter about the Walmart marketplace, talking about stuff that, I'm not going to comment too much on that, but like, just be focused on one thing. Amazon is still a great opportunity. Walmart Marketplace is an opportunity, yeah, of course, but like, choose one and go with it. And if you want help to actually do it, if you want help to actually scale, you want to scale fast, you can scale by yourself. You can watch all the videos that I have on my YouTube channel right there. If you want to scale fast, you want the shortcut, scaling.com with a 1 instead of the I. I can help you scale your business to millions. And I'm not scared to do it. I'm not scared to say it because I've done it in the past. I know what I can do, right? So scaling.com, join the Scaling Society. You want to scale your business or do whatever you want. There's people charging $300 for mentorship that have never proven themselves. I'm absolutely not charging $300. If you want to pay $300, you can absolutely go with these people. But if you want my help to scale to millions, $300,000, you know where to find me. Easy. And I'm not forcing you to do it, but you guys know where to find me. If you want results, if you want real results, if you don't want the bullshit, if you want to cut the crap and actually scale your business, be able to do what I do, there's only one place to do it, scaling.com, as I said. Okay? I'll see you in the next video.